What's up YouTube? So today I'll probably be doing one of my longest unboxing videos, which I'm literally sitting on the side of my bed while I do this because I know it's going to be a while for me to flip through all the pages. So yeah, today we'll be unboxing the Wings concept book. The photo card I got was actually taped right here, so I already know who I got, and I got Jungkook. I was really excited because I ordered this with my friend, and so she got Jimin, but she's gonna trade off to get Yoongi. So yeah, I would have preferred to get Jin, of course, because y'all know I love Jin, but he's my second favorite, so it's all good too. So yeah, sit back, relax, grab something to eat because this is gonna be a long video because this is 300 pages, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so this is the concept book. It's super big, as you can see. All the official stuff. It's a very big concept book for Wings. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, YouTube, we did it. We went through the entire concept book. I hope this was, I guess, helpful for people who were planning to buy it and wanted to know like what's exactly in it and if it's worth it. I personally think it's worth it because okay, as I was saying before my camera cut me off, I think this concept book was totally worth it. The paper that they use for each page is like really nice and thick and is like good quality. Towards the end, actually during the interview and towards the end, like the fabric, what is it? Is it fabric? I don't know. The type of paper was like different, but it was still like super good. As you saw the pictures in the beginning, it's like really good like print out quality. Like, I don't know, this thing was totally worth and like how much it is worth because yeah, like you can tell like a lot of like, what is it? Effort was put out for this. So yeah, I think it was totally worth it. Yeah, I hope they do more of these, honestly, because it gets you a really good idea of how this whole wings concept was planned out. And yeah, so thanks for watching and getting through the whole like photo book with me. I hope this was a good, enjoyable video, I guess. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.